Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today we're going to build this triangular box. Features a raised panel on the lid, a raised panel on the bottom that are made identically, and it also features this piece of sequoia that separates the lid from the box. A lot of good stuff in this video, including the joint that I used and the miter joints that I chose to do on this box. So stay tuned and see how I did.
Okay, we're going to try something a little different, at least a little different for me. I know this has been done, but I've never done it and I want to give it a shot. So this diagram here is just kind of a cheat sheet for me. And the material I'm working with is 3.5 inches wide, 1/2 inch thick, roughly. And I want to make these series of dados in one board, and then when I get done we can hopefully separate it just perfect enough to create a lid for a box. So here's my material. I don't have a whole lot to play with, so I don't have a whole lot of room to make mistakes, and this is going to be a triangular box. So what I'm going to do with this material is create the dados, this dado and this dados for the lid and the bottom, and this dado here will be a part of the rabbet for the lid when I get done, and then this dado will be the other part of the rabbet for the box when I'm done. I don't know if it'll work out, but we're going to give her a shot. So I'm going to create this one very last when the box is assembled and everything, and hopefully it'll separate just perfect and that lid will fall down into that rabbet. I hope that made sense, so let's get started.
Stop. Reset that cut. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this project. A lot of things that I learned on this project. I know a lot of this stuff has been out there for years, but what I've learned is how to make that joint for the box lid and the box to put together. And it's something I've seen before in the past, and even long time ago I've seen this joint. So it's nothing new, but it's new to me. And I learned how to cut those miters using a homemade sled. The sled had a 60-degree wedge on it, and then the table saw was tilted to 30 degrees. And that created enough angle so I can make these triangle pieces fit together. And another thing I tried new is a raised panel effect. And that's what I used on the lid and the bottom as well, just to give me some more practice. So a lot of firsts for me, may not be for you, but project still turned out excellent. It's kind of a unique piece. Not very many triangle boxes out there that I know of, or that I've seen anyway. But it's a very nice piece, and I'm pretty happy with the results. So don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you later.